Okay, this is line number 4 for Under the Bridge. We're going to start with a snare drum and a hi-hat together, a hi-hat and a bass drum, a snare and a hat, and a hat and a bass. Let's break down just those 4 notes and we'll play them together. So it goes, I'll count you in for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next 4 notes. We're going to have hi-hat, snare and bass drum together. So that was all 3 instruments together. Then a hat and a snare, and then a hat. So just those 4 notes. Again. Let's count you in and get that up to speed a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to link the first 4 notes with the second 4 notes, so we're doing all 8 notes together now. Okay, this will be our speed. We're going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's bar 1 done. Moving on to bar number 2. We're going to have the snare and the hat, the bass and the hat, snare and the hat, and then the hat. Those are the first 4 notes. Okay, so this is what they should sound like. And again, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the next 4 notes together. Okay, we're going to have hat, snare and bass, hat and bass, hat and snare, and then a hat. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do all 8 notes together. This is what they should sound like. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tricky thing that I'd say on this is trying not to flam your snare and your bass drum. Okay, so let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th note into bar 2 of this line. You're going to be having all 3 together, making that sound. You don't want it to sound like this, where they're kind of just slightly misplaced and you're getting that crossover of sounds. You want to hear all 3 instruments at the same time, nice and tight. That's what's going to make this line sound really great. Okay, so we've covered bar 1, we've covered bar 2. Let's play it all together. This is what it should sound like, and then I'll count you in to play along. So it's going to go. Nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, let's loop it this time. 3, 4. Round again. And again. Last time. So for this line, you play those 2 bars of groove, then you repeat it again, and then that line is done. All right? Give that a go. Hope it helps.